What is up, everybody? This is Lyle with No Hippie Barbecue, and what I'm gonna be doing in this video is I'm gonna be doing my version of Asian beef short ribs in our pressure cooker. The pressure cooker I'm gonna be using is a pressure cooker that was sent to me by a company called ICOOKPOT. I've used this pressure cooker in one other recipe and I've been happy with it so far, but the one thing I really like about this pressure cooker is it comes in this fly red color. Anyway, if you see a few of my videos and you like this pressure cooker, link is going to be in the description where you can buy this pressure cooker. Now, this recipe is not a recipe that I found anywhere. This is a recipe that I'm kind of throwing together myself. I will be using an estimation of the ingredients that I used in the description below. With no further ado, let's take a look at these ingredients. Like I mentioned before, I will be having my ingredients and amounts in the description below. Beef short ribs, I have an Asian apricot glaze and marinade, some beef stock, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, red chili pepper flakes with black pepper, minced up garlic, minced ginger, sesame seed oil, brown sugar, and I will be browning off our beef short ribs using some grapeseed oil, which is going to be our next step. So our first step is going to be to brown off these beef short ribs, and I already have these beef short ribs seasoned with salt and pepper, and we're just going to cook them until they're browned on all four sides. Fat side down to begin with. Now that we have this browned on all sides with about 1.5 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, if I didn't mention it earlier, it's time to just go ahead and add the rest of these ingredients. This is pretty simple. All we're going to do is add everything to the pot. So I'm going to start off with my beef broth. Our pepper and our Thai chili flakes, our minced garlic, minced ginger, our soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, sesame seed oil, brown sugar, and then our apricot glaze. And this is pretty much a thin jelly. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of give this a good stir. Now it's time for us to get our pressure cooker set. So let's get our top on our pressure cooker. I'm going to line this up with our unlock here, move it over to lock. On this particular one, I am going to use one of these preset functions. We're going to go to meat and stew. That's going to put us at 35 minutes. This should pressurize up, which it's doing now. And we'll see you in 35 minutes. So now that that's run through its full cooking cycle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and let the pressure release on this on its own. I'm not going to do a rapid release on this, and that should take about 15 more minutes. So here's what we're looking like after the pressure cooker had a chance to just go ahead and rapid release on its own. I'm going to go ahead and plate up. We'll taste it, see what we think. So that's what it looks like all plated up. I tasted that sauce. I'm telling you that is going to go good with some chicken wings or something. I don't know, but I'm saving that sauce. Let's get into this, see what we think. And these beef short ribs are fork tender about now. This is a winner. I am proud that I pretty much came up with this recipe on my own. Like I said, recipe is going to be in the description. Try this out, I'm telling you. This is an awesome recipe. I need to get a cookbook going. Anyway, before I take this next bite, man, I'm going to tell you, I do appreciate you guys stopping by No Hippie Barbecue. Comment, subscribe, and I'm out.